I'm going to clean it down with soap and water, and then come back and just clean it with some water to wash off some of that soap. This is my aluminum foil. I'm going to put some of these stock in here so that it stays out of the water when I'm cooking it. I'm gonna season the water with some salt. And the leaves are not edible, okay? The foil is not edible. Put a hint of cinnamon. It's organic though. I'm going to season the meat with some salt. Use some El Negro blend made by Empower by Rootswork. That's the scent from the chicken breast. I got the chicken all seasoned up. Now it's properly mixed in and ready for the foil. Here it goes. I'm going to put 2 pieces. Put a little extra love on there. I used to do this in Texas, but I used to use the tamale sleeves. Alright. So now I'm going to put them in one big basket. There you have it. Setting the timer, it's 27 minutes. There's a little squirrel going on right there, trying to cross. He did. He made it. I think there were 2 of them. The first 4 minutes out of that, the 2 minutes of that, the leaves were just dominating the air. The aroma was just strong of jungle cooking. The trick is when you use the tamales leaves in Texas, whether you're gonna bake or grill, you gotta soak the leaves for at least, let's say, minimum 2 to 3 hours. You know, you can do it a little bit longer, and then you can do like what I did, season the salt, add salt and other things to the water to flavor the leaves, so that it also influences the cooking of the meal or the meat or vegetables. The first smell of the leaf was more like earthy. Now that we're getting closer to the finish line, you can smell the same leaf, but it's not as strong or as pungent, and it's not as earthy, and you can smell it more like it's being cooking and getting closer to the finish line. It smells like a meal. Okay, it's finished.
Well, he was in those positions, but in the end, he was done for. They outfoxed him. Look at the market, he's weighing it up.
Oh, smells amazing.
And he's sure.
Put a little bit of garnish on it. Oh. Enjoy. Outdoor chef.